To check for spam followers on Instagram, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Once there, tap on your followers count to open the complete list of people who follow you. Now scroll the follower list sideways to the left or explore the filters at the top if available. Look for a section or tag labeled flagged or spam. Instagram sometimes automatically identifies and highlights suspicious or low quality accounts, and this list will display the accounts that the platform suspects may be spam, bots, or fake followers. These flagged profiles often have unusual usernames, no profile pictures, few followers, or irrelevant content. Once the list appears, you can review these accounts and choose to remove or block them to keep your follower base clean and authentic. That's it. You've now successfully checked for spam followers on Instagram. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.